this, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna say.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like I've been gone for a very long time. I feel like I haven't uploaded a video in like 3 months. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, so it's a pretty long hiatus, but I am back and I had to like pull myself out of being very lazy. I was in a very lazy funk. But yeah, so I decided to record a DIY video today. I have a huge mirror and I've had it for like, I wanna say 2 years, and now I wanna kind of revamp it and I wanna add lights to like the borders of the mirror. And yeah, I decided I would just pull out my camera and record that and upload a video finally. So if you are interested to see how I get lights around my mirror, please keep watching. All right, so this is what the mirror looks like. It is, I don't know why on camera it looks a lot smaller than it actually is, but it's a 7 by 32 or 30, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding the lights along along the sides. And yeah, so this is, let me show you. So I bought these lights from Amazon. I'm gonna link them below, and they're pretty much like LED strips. And hopefully I have enough to go around the entire border, but we'll see. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start opening the box to see what is inside. Oh my God, I can't do this with one hand. All right, so inside the box there are some like manuals, a little card. I don't know what that's for. And then I think this is the directions. There's some alcohol prep pads. And this is something to plug it. Oh, this is a, what is this? It's like a controller, like a remote. Yep. And it is a plug-in light, so yeah. Perfect, now let me just figure this stuff out and then we'll figure it out. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and laid the mirror down flat. It's actually really heavy. I was not expecting it to be as heavy. So according to the installation steps, it says to wipe, why is it not focusing? Hello. It says to wipe off the dust with alcohol prep pad provided. So I'm gonna do that. I'm about to just wipe off. God, I'm out of breath trying to put this mirror down. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the borders of the mirror with the alcohol prep to get rid of any dust or dirt or whatever. And then we're gonna come back. So this is what the lights, the LED strip looks like. So according to the directions here, it says to warm up the tape. So I have a blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry this area to get it a little warm, I guess to make it more tacky. And then I'm gonna pull this protective layer off, and then we'll have the tape right there, and I'm gonna just go ahead and start lining it. This should be really easy, actually. Yeah, this should be really easy. Okay, cool. Bye. All right, so I went ahead and already started laying the LED strips down. I tried to do it as even as possible, but yeah, it's not even at all. It'll do. So, all right, so I did this entire side, and now I'm about to start adding the strip to the top of the border. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to, I don't know why this camera is so blurry. All right, so I bend it forward and then I'm twisting it to turn it so I could go ahead and start bringing the LED light around the top. And yeah, I just felt like it was important to show that part because I know I would be confused, like how the hell I'm gonna bring this around. But yeah, so you just bend it almost in half and then you kind of do like a little side turn, a little, you know, turn it to the side and then bring it on around. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding the lights, and then I think I'm gonna be, yeah, I should have enough of the LED lights, because I have, so far I have this much left, and I already did, like I said, I did the entire side, and then I can't even talk. I have another one of these that came in the pack, and I don't know if I showed you guys the lights I'm using, but I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna show you the box, and I'm also gonna link it in the description box, so if you guys wanna do this to your mirror, you'll be able to know where to buy the lights, so yeah. All right, so I went ahead and added the lights all the way around. So I was able to get it all the way around, and then womp womp is it didn't cover this area right here. But I do have another roll of the LED lights, so I'm just gonna figure out how I'm gonna add it and how I'm gonna be able to plug them both in. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. So I guess I kind of panicked a little bit for no reason. So this is the second roll, and I started here so both of the plugs could be more or less in the same area. And why is it so blurry? So I brought it around. This is where I need it to end, and if you can, I think you could kind of see. Why is this so fucking blurry? You know, let me see if I can show you like this. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see right here. It has a little scissor right in the center. So I guess they do that just in case you're in a situation like me where you needed to use a second roll and you didn't need all of the roll of the lights. So you can go ahead and just cut it right there, and it won't affect how the light works. So I hope what I'm saying is right, because I'm gonna be fucking screwed. But I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna plug it all in. I'm gonna put it back up on the wall, and then we'll see how it looks and see if I did this successfully. So yeah, keep watching. All right, so I have it up on the wall, and then I'm gonna have to just like get a rubber band and kind of rubber band the wires, because they're kind of like all over the place. But I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on and press the on button, and voila, it looks really good. Where's the second one? Ugh. It looks so good. And then this, I think, yeah, it looks so good. So I think I can also change the settings. I can make it brighter. So let's see. Yep. So this is a brighter setting. It looks so good. I'm so excited. Yeah, and then let me turn it off so you guys can see. And then this is it, just off. Cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to like get like a hair clip or a rubber band or something and tie this up, and I'm probably just gonna pull this over to kind of block the plug, if that makes sense. So yeah, ignore all the boxes back here. I just moved, so we're trying to get the place together. But anyways, this, I don't know why I'm so out of breath. It really was not as hard as it sounds like, because I'm like out of breath. It's just this mirror is mad heavy, so to pick it up is like a lot of work. So yeah, I feel like this is so cute, so easy, and yeah, anybody could do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and link everything in the description bar, just in case you wanna do the same. This mirror, I know it's sold out because someone asked me where I got it from a couple of days ago, and I checked the website and it's not there, but I can link a mirror that's very similar if you guys want. And I'll definitely link the lights. I'm gonna show you the box again. Minger is the brand. But yeah, I'll link it in the description. It came with these things too, but I don't know what they're for, and I'm not gonna use them because I don't need them, clearly. But yeah, I'm gonna link everything in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna try to upload another video sometime soon. All right, bye guys.